Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chawanne Burns. In today's crypto news, we are going to discuss Coinbase issuing out refunds for a stablecoin glitch. We're going to discuss the oversight committee hearing that happened on yesterday with some of the CEO crypto executives. We also are going to discuss the prices that we are currently seeing in the markets. And we are going to talk about Ledger, which is a wallet maker, and they have a new product that's out there. Let's go to our CoinDesk snap charts. I am not an affiliate of CoinDesk. I just like how they have the presentation of all the different cryptocurrencies, just the major coins that is out there. So we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is hovering over 49,000. It is down 0.31%. Ethereum up 0.33%, trading about 4,300. Solana $187. It's up by 0.93%. XRP is just under 90 cents and it is up 10%. Terra is up 6.5%, trading at 71. Cardano, it is down 0.48%. It's trading about $1.35. Polkadot is up by 0.24%. It is trading at $28.50. Shiba is up 1.8% and it's trading about 0.00037. Dogecoin is up 1.52%. It is trading at 17 cent, almost 18 cent. Ethereum Classic is down 1.5%. It's trading at about $39. And we have some other coins that's on here. I will link this in the description section. And so you can see a kind of a snapshot of the crypto market. So let's talk about Ledger. Ledger is a maker of cold wallets. Cold wallets are like those little USB drives that you could plug in to the market and plug it out, and it stays secured with you. People can't access it unless you have it plugged in. So it's something that you carry around and you plug it in and you take it out and if you're not using it. Okay, so Ledger just announced that it is launching a Visa debit product and it will be available in the second quarter of next year. They're saying that you'll be able to use it about 50 million retailers and online stores. And they're planning to, they're planning to launch it actually the first quarter. It's in UK, France, Germany, and for the US, we'll have it the second quarter. It supports Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, XRP, BXX, BCH, and Litecoin, LTC. Okay, so expect if you have Ledger product, I think everybody should have a cold wallet if you're heavy in trading your cryptocurrency. Everyone should have one. But anyway, what I'm getting at is just expect for that product to launch at the beginning of the year. So let's talk about yesterday in Congress. Congress invited, I think, 6 CEOs to come and testify, give them more information in regards to cryptocurrency, because the U.S. is trying to regulate the market, okay, or regulate cryptocurrency. And we're going to talk about some of the highlights, which was very interesting because on one hand, they're saying that they're trying to stop fraudulent activity. They're trying to regulate it so you can have more competition so the costs won't go up. Also, it was mentioned that mining some of these cryptocurrency uses up a lot of energy. But one of the main things that was mentioned was fraudulent activity, some of these coin makers, or currency manipulation. And also it was mentioned that, some people were trying to avoid the IRS, hide their money. And, I have a problem with Congress bringing up these points because we all know stock manipulation is always been a thing, and they never protected consumers. Even now, one congressman questioned Haas, she's the CEO of Coinbase, or some executive of Coinbase. I think she's the CEO. But she questioned, or the congressman questioned her in regards to one of the products. If you transfer, they charge them $6 or whatever for the transfer fee or transaction fee. And so she was saying, well, that could be possibly so. And they were just basically pointing out, like, why are your transfer fees so high? But I'm thinking, like, the damn bank transfer fees are high. I mean, from one transfer to another. But if you want to send a wire transfer, each transfer costs $1. And if it's a same day, it's like $30 freaking dollars. So I don't know where they was getting at. And which Bank of America is really ridiculous. And another thing that they pointed out is like 5% of U.S. people do not have a bank account because they make it so hard for a person to get a bank account. So it was kind of weird where they were pointing out all these bad things that could happen with cryptocurrency, which is true. Cryptocurrency manipulation, that could very well happen. People hiding their money, of course. Why wouldn't you hide your money? If you're taxed 42%, I would hide my money too. But so they were saying all these negative things about cryptocurrency, even though Maxine Waters is the House chairman for the Financial Committee. She is in support. And actually, a lot of GOP congressmen are in support of cryptocurrency. But they're just trying to regulate it. But all the points that they were mentioning about all this stuff is like, this happens now in the banking industry. It's like there is stock manipulation. When you go in to trade something and it has a jump or a spike, everybody knows that's some type of manipulation to the market, okay? So I think when they're highlighting all these negatives that are positives, I think it does a disservice. So hopefully they learn more about cryptocurrency. I don't know where this will lead. I think they still need to do some more findings into cryptocurrency for them to actually make intelligent laws to regulate it. Does it need regulated? I think it does in some instances, but I know that right now it provides a lot of opportunities for people that do not have really the resources to get into like main market stuff, But I encourage everyone to read up on your investment. Don't take anyone's words. Just be comfortable enough that you're sure with your investment. And that will have the less opportunity of you losing it. You're kind of mitigating the risk if you make a more intelligent decisions about your investment. Okay. So that was it. I mean, there's nothing more to say about Congress. Congress, if they act like they just oh, we're lawmakers, we're here to make everything fair. No, we know everything is not fair. And we know it's really some biases in Congress. You know, they get on this one track thing and they can't tie a shoe unless everybody agrees upon it. It's just kind of ridiculous to me. Anyway, so that's what basically the overview of what happened yesterday. Let me know your thoughts if you watched the hearing and if you kind of know about it. Put your thoughts in the comment section whether or not if you think the lawmakers should have some type of oversight over cryptocurrency, or maybe you don't, you think they should but stay out of it. Okay, so let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase had a glitch and it sparked some outrage. Some of the Coinbase users, now I use Coinbase, I don't trade on it frequently. I just had like 3 or 4 things that I keep on Coinbase. Actually, it happened mid-November. Coinbase customers were able to buy into GYN, which is a stable coin that is pegged to the value of a Japanese yen. Basically, in a nutshell, when people put in for their investment or try to buy in this stable coin GYN, which is attached to the Japanese yen, it took too long for the transfer. So they're thinking they're buying that one amount, and 2 days later, all the transactions actually completed. So they lost the gains, and it was displaying 100 times greater than or less than what it was actually purchased or traded based on the exchange rate confirmed at the time. So Coinbase took too long to buy in, and they misrepresented to the customer of what the actual amount. And it says on here, this is based off a CNBC article, they held my money ransom for 2 weeks. I could have invested in other coins and had potential gains. They need to give some solid, concrete answers. They need to refund every single person who invested in this and lost money. I think that is because if I can't buy into you, and if you taking too long to send me my money, and then I lost money, maybe this stock, and you know the cryptocurrency, just as the stock market, it works fast. So if you're not jumping in and jumping out, if you're a scalper, you might lose some of your money. So I could see that happening, and it's minutes, not days, minutes that stuff could happen. So they're saying millions of people are teed off with Coinbase. Okay, so that was it for our crypto news for today. If you like these type of videos, you want to subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Chawanne Burns, and I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.